assemble boat. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Boat. Press the pump. Ready. Let's inspect soil at the construction site. And now we will be heading to the port. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. There's an island on our way. Right rudder. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast to clear the way. Great! We got past all the obstacles. First, we need to assemble self-propelled pontoon. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Self-propelled pontoon. Press the pump. Done! Let's install screw piles. It's time to head for the port. There's an island on our way. Left rudder. We're approaching a coral reef. Right rudder. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Sound a blast to clear the way. Great! We got past all the obstacles. We need to assemble drilling ship. Keep up the good work. First, we have to fill it. Drilling ship. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's drill a freshwater well. And now let's repair. Drilling ship. Let's weld a crack on the ship. Let's sand the welding seam. Let's paint the stain from the seam. Hooray! Let's assemble a stacker ship and a barge. Done! Filling. Stacker ship. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's install beams and base. And now we will be heading to the port. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. There is a coral reef ahead. Left rudder. An island directly ahead. Right rudder. Great! We got past all the obstacles. And now, let's repair. Crane ship. Let's straighten the screw. Ready. First, we have to fill it. Crane ship. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's load the materials into split barge. We did it! Let's build the walls of residential houses. First, let's assemble a mast crane and a red barge. That's all. First, we have to fill it. Mast crane. Press the pump. Don't stop. Let's load the materials into red barge. Don't stop. To finish the bungalow, let's mount the roof. We need to assemble. Blue barge. We did it! Filling. Blue barge. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's install windows and set up terraces. We need to wash. Blue barge. Amazing! Let's repair. Cargo ferry. We need to clean the chain and anchor. And now let's cover the chain and anchor with protective paint. Amazing! Let's load the materials into cargo ferry. Keep up the good work. Let's lay pipes and turn on fresh water. The construction is finished. We made a great place for relaxing.